stewards of land, a connection so strong it binds us to the past and carries from generation to generation, a legacy to be proud of. The 3,000-acre storied Morrison Ranch, located just 15 minutes outside of the quaint town of Shandon, California, in San Luis Obispo County, is on the market for the first time since 1978. The ranch has been stewarded with cattle continuously since the Mexican land grant days, dating back to 1846. Morrison Ranch is a portion of a large 32,000-acre cattle ranch. The terrain varies in elevation between 1,300 and 1,700 feet and is characterized by rolling hills and rangelands, scattered with wildflowers throughout the landscape in spring. The owners have raised cattle for 6 generations. Currently, 150 to 200 pair are run for the season on a normal rain year. Cattle support equipment includes multiple newer stock water tanks and troughs throughout, and fencing. Rolling hills and rangeland make for an excellent livestock operation. Years ago, the owners dryland farmed the ranch's flat valleys and hilltops. There are still remnants of an old grain silo on the ranch. Water on the ranch consists of 2 wells, multiple springs, creeks, and a portion of San Juan Creek. The San Juan Creek runs through the northern portion of the property. Improvements on the ranch include an old barn and home. Both the barn and home need TLC. Repair the home or build your own custom home on the ranch. The future of this piece of land could go multiple directions. There are some acres of flat ground that could provide ideal vineyard opportunities. This is a blank canvas that is waiting for new owners to build out their dream property.
California outdoor properties, we have the best ranch land. California outdoor properties, call us as soon as you can.